day of AWS series, and today we're going to cover an important practical involving code pipeline, and we will deploy a meme matching game with AWS S3 and CI/CD pipelines. So this is divided into different phases. So phase one will include forking the repository from GitHub. Then we'll create a static website with S3. Then we'll set up code pipelines with AWS. Then we'll test continuous deployment. And then we'll clean up everything to avoid charges. So let's get started and let's see what prerequisites we'll need for this practical. So firstly, we'll need an AWS account, preferably a free tier. You'll need a GitHub account and you can fork my repository. I'll give it in the description below. Then you need to have AWS permissions for IAM, S3 code pipelines, and CloudFormation. You need to have browser access and you need to have basic knowledge about AWS. So let's get started. I'll quickly navigate to my GitHub. I'll go to the practical that I've performed. So this is it. So from here, you can fork my repository and you can rename it or just make changes according to your need. Next, I'll navigate to AWS console. So here, firstly, you need to navigate to S3. Let's create a bucket. We'll name it as Brainrot TikTok by her game. So this is the name I've given. I'll uncheck this so we can have incoming traffic into the bucket. Next, yeah, I'll click on create bucket. The bucket has been created. Let's click on it. Now we need to enable static website hosting. Let's head on to properties, scroll all the way down, click on edit, enable it. Your default document should be index.html and save the changes. Then navigate to your bucket again. Next, we need to create a bucket policy. So click on permissions. Then you'll see bucket policies. Click on edit. I'll mention this code below. Just copy paste it. So you'll have S3 access. Save the changes. Okay, I need to rename it to my bucket name. So my bucket name is this. I'll just copy paste it right here. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, so the configuration has been done. Now we'll quickly navigate to CodePipe. Let's click on create pipeline. I'll build a custom pipeline. I'll name it as meme pipeline. Let's click on advanced setting. I'll just keep it as Europe. Nextly, click on next. Just choose your source provider. I'll connect it via GitHub. So let's connect it. Provide your connection name. I'll type it as an meme GitHub pipeline. Let's connect it to GitHub. I'll type my email. and my password. I'll authorize it. Okay, so this has been done. I'll navigate it, click on install, install and authorize. Okay, so let's click on connect. Now let's navigate to this. I'll quickly refresh it. I'll choose the repository from here. So this is the one, default branch as main, and click on next. These are additional settings. So let's skip build stage. For test, we can choose between these, but we're going to skip this test stage. And let's select S3. Keep the region as Europe. Select the bucket and click on next. Take this and click on next. Just review this and click on create pipeline. This can take some time, so you need to wait. Okay, so this has been created, but you need to wait for the status to turn green so you can actually see that the deployment has occurred. Okay, it's done. Let's navigate to our bucket. Let's go on properties, and you can see that the link is here. Let's click on this link, and your meme matching game has been successfully deployed on Amazon S3. Here you can quickly test your game by clicking on the start button. This is a very brain rotty and a very basic matching game. Okay, so now to see live changes in your pipeline, what you can do is go to GitHub, edit your index.html file. I'll just type it as brain rot meme matching game. Commit changes. Okay, so go to code pipeline. You can refresh it real quick. Okay, you can wait until the status is green. And refresh it real quick. So the changes have been made real time. You can start playing the game. And for the final step, what you need to do is we need to delete everything that we've created. So let's go to your pipeline. Just scroll down all the way to the pipeline. Yeah, select it and delete. You can just copy paste it from here, or either you can type it. Click on delete, navigate to your bucket, and click on it. Click delete. The bucket isn't empty, so first empty the bucket. Okay, so you can type it or like copy paste it directly. empty it. Okay, then delete the entire bucket. Yeah, delete the bucket. Next, you can delete the general purpose bucket we created for code pipeline. Click on delete. Empty this first as well. Yeah, just copy paste this and empty it. Click on the bucket and delete. Yeah, copy paste it again and delete bucket. Yeah, that's it for this practical. I'll see you in the next one.